What's going on, Hangout Gang? It is 6:25 Sunday at 9:32 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we have another technical analysis video for you guys. But before we get into the video, we are giving away $50 worth of Bitcoin every Monday to a lucky subscriber and a lucky commenter that comments on a random video. We will pick a commenter, and you must be subscribed. Okay, a lot of you guys that watch the video are not subscribed, as it shows right here. A lot of you guys are not subscribed, and when we do the giveaway, if you are not subscribed, then you will not win. Okay, as you can see, I have a list of everybody that is subscribed on to the channel, and if your name is picked and drawn and you're not on this list that YouTube gives us of everybody that subscribes and every notification, then you will not win. Okay, no matter if you commented or not, after we pick the winner and we go through and see if you're a subscriber or not, and if you're not subscribed, we'll just pick over again. Okay, this giveaway is for our subscribers and those that help our channel grow, and that comment on our videos and comment back their thoughts on the videos that we do make. Okay, so if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed. All right, and not just commenting. Make sure that you're a subscriber as well. All right, you just go up there and click that button, that subscribe button, and then go ahead and leave your comment. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the charts. We have the Bitcoin 4-hour chart here. As you can see, Bitcoin, it came up here, hit the resistance of 30,000 and fell. As you can see, we had a double top here, here, and here, and it rolled over and came down here to this support line of what was this, 30,300, and it's just chopping in between that. Okay, and the reason why it came down here is because you have a low right here of 30,260, and here you have a high of 30,329. So it is chopping in between these areas. Okay, now RSI is oversold, so you're going to see more of a pullback, probably down here to the 30,329 on, before you see a retest of 30,900 and 31,000, etc. MACD is showing the pullback. As you can see, it's red. It's showing the pullback. You have a cross here, it's coming down, and the RSI is above 50, so right around 64.84. It means it's oversold. I mean overbought. Okay. Go look at the hour chart. You got the Bitcoin hour chart, and as you can see on the hour chart, it breached above the ceiling, but it came back down. Okay, it's going to try again, and I think you'll probably get 1 or 2 touches, but it depends on what Bitcoin does today, this afternoon. Sunday afternoons, it makes it moves. Sunday evenings, it makes its move, and pretty much tells you what's it going to do for the rest of the week. RSI on the hourly chart is 51.98. and the MACD is looking okay. It's about equal. Okay, now let's go look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart hourly. As you can see, that 21 is crossing on the 50 downward, so the price action more than likely is going to, or the flow of Bitcoin is more than likely going to come out of Bitcoin. So you'll probably see a little bit of a sell-off here within the next hour or so of Bitcoin, just a little bit, depending on how big the sell-off is, depends on the downward turn, like I said. Okay, so this is the hour chart for the dominance. Look at the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin dominance 4-hour chart, as you can see, hovering around that 21. Okay, so it may chop today and the rest of the week. Look at that weekly chart or the daily chart. As you can see, some money flowing out of Bitcoin on the daily, and as you can see, yeah, RSI is severely oversold. It's in the 83 territory, so I expect money to flow out. It may come down to touch the 21, down to 49%. It needs to come back. It needs a correction. Okay, so Bitcoin is going to have a correction. It's going to have a pullback. I suspect possibly sometime this week. Maybe not a big one, but it will have a correction. Okay, let's go look at the altcoin market cap. Where are you? And as you can see, this is the daily in altcoins, and the Bitcoin daily today was a red candle, and the altcoin is a green one, because the money is flowing out of Bitcoin. People are taking their profits out of Bitcoin and moving it into smaller cap altcoins. Let's go look at that 4-hour chart for the altcoins. Total altcoin market cap is still in that downward channel and hasn't broke out of that yet. Right? Why? Because that money is flowing into Bitcoin. RSI is really high and the MACD is very, very high. So I suspect that Bitcoin have a little pullback and people take the, altcoins, shoot a little profit. People take that profit and move it back into Bitcoin. That is my suspicion. All right, let's go look at that hour chart. And this is the Bitcoin hourly chart, as you can see. This is the total altcoin hourly chart, as you can see, still in that downward channel. And you have that little cross, golden cross of the 50 and the 100, and price action went up. Price action is teeter-tottering, crossing over and under the 50, the 21 is. So, like I said, it still hasn't broke out of this downward channel yet. As you can see, it needs to break out of the downward channel. This is the hourly chart for the altcoin market cap. All right, so I guess we'll take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, and like I said in yesterday's video, it came up and hit this. So you got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and I suspect that 4th touch is going to break through. Okay, it's not going to do a 4th touch. It's going to come back down here and test this 1,871 support line before it breaks through up towards the 2,000 mark. Okay, keep that in mind. This is the hourly chart right here. Okay, you have that golden cross over here, price actually moving up. It had a cross downward with the 50, came down, but then you had a 68% chance to break it to the upside, and it did. And now you had a double top, and it is falling back down again. Okay, it's coming down to this 21. Is it going to bounce off the 21 and retest 1,914, or will it fall below to the 80 and retest, or all the way down to 1,873 before retesting the 1,919 mark? Okay, don't know, but you have to look at the chart and trade the charts. Don't assume, don't make any assumptions, but just trade what the charts show you. It showed us here. We have a head and shoulders pattern. You have the left shoulder, you have the head and the shoulders, and normally it comes down on that. When that happens, you have a retracement down to the support line before blasting off past that resistance line. So we'll just have to see what happens on this hourly chart. Okay. Let's look at the 2-hour chart. Yeah, you got another head and shoulders, perfectly head and shoulders, and that is. So I suspect Ethereum this week probably will break through $2,000. RSI is looking, it's coming down. Needs to come down some more. It needs to come down to 32 or 34. That's the 3-hour chart. Now back on the hour chart, RSI is 52. So it's still, RSI is looking oversold. Okay, so it's going to pull back some more. It's probably going to pull back down here to this 1,873 and retest that before retesting these and breaking through that $1,903 past the $2,000. All right, this is Crypto Crane. This is your daily technical analysis video, and remember, you must be a subscriber and leave a comment to win the $50 Bitcoin giveaway. Okay, you must be a subscriber and you must leave a comment on a random video, like the video or dislike it. Share it with your friends if you like the content, or you find the content that I provide for you valuable. Until the next video, this is Crypto Crane signing out. Peace.